Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.
Streamlining their organization, the Meghalaya TMC today conducted a block committee formation meeting along with a joining event at Mendipathar in West Garo Hills in the presence of the MLA of Salmanpara, Winnerson D Sangma. The newly elected members were inducted into the party fold in the presence of senior party leaders. Jappil Momin was appointed as the president of Mendipathar Block Committee, with Cambleson Sangma as the advisor, along with other new fresh faces of the committee. Other leaders who were present at the event were the MDC of Rong Rong, Rinaldo K. Sangma, MDC of Balachanda, Agassi R. Marak, the MDC of Damas, Ferdinand D. Shira, and Barthiar Momin, who is the TMC Consistency Coordinator from Mendipathar. While recalling the tenure of Dr. Mukul Sangma as Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Winnerson D Sangma said that development of the state to a large extent was witnessed during the time. He also encouraged the citizens to criticize the government in order to get better governance. Addressing the media after the event, Kharkutta MDC Chirag W. Momin drew a comparison between the governance of current Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma and that of former Chief Minister Dr. Mukul Sangma by saying that the citizens of the state are not happy and are highlighting how payment issues were never a problem during Dr. Mukul Sangma's tenure as Chief Minister.
Dr. Mukul Sangma ni dilanyo ibang pahajaran ni Guru Tamo Meghalaya All India Namal Congress ni Sokari Kulpnagta Patung Sui. Kamen Kusuk ke Nigen Sumude Meghalaya atau Penukan Kongkang Manca Habisarang Kota Pasatanyo Aro Sokario Kampai Barangna Sigma Gata Nanirang Ko Sumai Gata Namal Dilanyo Aro Tentang Soran Si Mandirang Dilanyan Bapahan ini ke Babang Keman yang kepa Sokario Dr. Sokario Dapat Nambang Diunda ini Mandirang ni